tequila makes me happy.
Solo un tequilazo.
Un tequilazo. Fondo. ¿Dónde está el patrón?
Alright guys, we got the Nardi steering wheel in Mexico. Directamente
de Italy.
De Italy. So ya dejamos el volante y lo van a tapizar y va a quedar mañana. So vamos a ver cómo sale. Super excited. Look at the mountain, guys. Look at the top of the mountain. It's right in front of us. I think this is so beautiful. To me, this is actually very nice. So the people we're staying with actually live right off like one of the main roads to Guatemala. We're about maybe 3 hours from Guatemala. We're in the state of Chiapas, Mexico. And look at this road, guys. You can literally stand right in the middle of the road. Look. This is beautiful. This is things that like expand your mind. Sometimes I like to take these trips and it takes you out of your normal routine, you know. Alright guys, they haven't seen the ranch yet. So there's a little bit of chickens over there.
The chicken coop.
Yeah, they had a pig in there, but we ate it.
Yeah. This
is in there. It's actually in there.
Oh, you wanna show them?
They made them the chicharrón.
Chicharrón.
You wanna show them?
You ready? It was a big, well, I don't know how big because I didn't see it in person. But this is all that's left. No, I'm just kidding. This is just the pork skin. Some chicharrón.
That's so funny. He was alive this morning. Anyways, we're outside in the ranch. Let me show you guys the turkeys or whatever this is. Big ass chicken. Look at those little babies right there. And then there's a big turkey somewhere.
So we got the gobble gobbles here. The gobble gobbles and the little gobble gobbles.
Pero hay más. There's another one. There's a real big one.
And then we got un gallito.
¿Por qué será que muchos de los pollos que veo acá no tienen pelo así como en la nuca?
Porque creo que este gallo es de no tiene pelo en la nuca.
¿Es la marca?
La raza.
La raza.
La marca.
This is super nice. What you think?
It's nice. It's good.
Have you ate here before?
We ate here last year, ¿no?
Tell them what it is.
Es camarones al mojo de ajo. Camarones with a lot of garlic. I mean shrimp with a lot of garlic.
So we came into this store.
It's just like a store, but they don't have any food. But, like you can buy furniture, electronics, toys, kitchen things.
Yeah, they got like mopeds and dirt bikes on that side. They got furniture. Alright, so they finished the steering wheel. They just gave us a call this morning to come pick it up. So let's check it out. Here it is, guys. Look, check this out. Nice black leather. Back on this original Nardi steering wheel. You guys can see. Super stoked. Alright guys, so we're actually at an xcaret.
No, we're
xcaret park.
Xplore by xcaret.
And look. So we just bought the tickets and we're coming in pretty much. This is pretty cool.
7 activities you can do.
Yeah. This is gonna be super fun.
So look at what?
Oh my god, look at all this stuff.
Look at this cave.
You think this is man-made or is like real?
No, it's man-made. But we have zip lining, hammock splash.
Hammock splash? What is hammock splash?
It's like a zip line, pero como una like little hammock where you sit and they splash like you.
You go through the water?
Yeah.
We're gonna get wet. Oh, look at the map. Let's check it out. Okay, so we are here. What is this? Oh, that's where you give the helmets back.
Okay, let me pass. Oh, están los
Zip lines. Water extra. Oh, we gotta do this.
That's a water.
Yeah, I know, but we gotta do it now. We're already here.
I don't think we gotta do it.
Ay, mi hermana, ábrele la puerta. Y mi hermana.
I'm stuck in the trunk of this car, guys.
La cajuela, por favor. Ay, la mamá igual.
Oh, snap. No mames, loco. I was kidnapped. A ver si tengo todo. Sí. Sí tengo todo. Alright. Vámonos.
No, hijo, no contesta.
¿A quién buscan?
We've been out and about all day.
We've been up and down and around the world. Spinning in circles and going back and forth and up and down.
Look, that's the Walmart that I was talking to you guys about that we went to earlier in this trip.
It's not Walmart.
It's called Shadura.
No.
Shadura.
No.
What se dice?
It's called Chedraui.
Oh, Shadrua.
Chedraui.
Chedraui.
You can tell he's white.
No, not white.
Or Salvadorian.
I'm just caramel.
American.
I'm Canelo.
¿Dónde se meten a comer algo?
Canelo white.
Camelo is the.
Esa tu tía es menor. Así se mira más joven.
Yeah, so we've been out here in Palenque, what, the whole day? This is our second time in Palenque.
Yeah, this is only the second time of us like walking around and stuff.
Yeah, but I mean, it's a nice vibe out here. Very chill. I mean, I don't know what could happen, but it's pretty chill.
That's pretty good.
From everything I've heard about Mexico, it's not as bad. It's not as bad as I thought. Alright, so let me show you a little haul of what I bought for my family. Not much. We don't have that much space in the bag, so it has to be like small stuff. So I got this hat for my uncle.
How much you pay?
100 pesos. I got this bracelet that I really like for my mom because she's been wanting one of these, and she told me she wanted one of these. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go get her one. It's not gold, I don't think.
No, that's just gonna tarnish. How bonito. What if she wanted like?
Yeah, for her wrist. And then I got a bracelet for my sister, but I think I'm gonna go get her more bracelets, right?
Yes, you got her the wrong one. She wants an evil eye one, and this isn't an evil eye one.
Oops.
So.
Well, we're gonna go get her more bracelets. Yeah. So that's the plan right now.
She wants a lot of bracelets.
Yeah. But we're in this little nice plaza right now. We're celebrating Christmas, as you guys can see. No, we're not celebrating Christmas. I'm saying they're celebrating Christmas. I mean, Christmas is already over.
They just decorated for Christmas. They're not celebrating.
Maybe they're celebrating.
Yeah, more. It's like Macarenville. They don't take it off until like the first.
Yeah, but it's for Christmas.
Yeah, but we're not celebrating.
We're not celebrating.
They're not celebrating.
Anyways, they got lights up and a Christmas tree, but they're not celebrating Christmas.
Yes, because it's still up. Like Macarenville puts their lights from December 1st. It's not Christmas yet. You go and you see the lights. It's the same thing here. Then.
Okay, whatever she said, guys. Anyways, we gotta get a hat. Not a hat. I gotta get something for my dad. Currently, the last day we're gonna be at this little ranch, and I want to show you guys around. I don't know if I showed you guys around earlier this week. Look at that big old rooster. That sucker is big. That's a big rooster. That's a chicken, pretty sure. I don't know. You guys probably know better than me. But there's a big turkey somewhere. There's a huge turkey somewhere that I wanted to show you guys. I don't know where he's at. Look at this one though. I don't know if this is a turkey or what it is, but it has babies. Pretty nice experience, honestly. This is something that I wouldn't have experienced back in the States. It's just a different way of life. Like you cook on a fire like all the time, pretty much. You dry hang your clothes. This is pretty much how you live here. I'm vlogging, I'm telling them about our last day here. They look very cute. Yeah, they look very cute.
Thank you.
What do you need? Tortillas. And we're gonna get some breakfast.